For face mill zigzag operations, multiple faces can be selected when blank type is set to thickness. Motion across voids can be controlled with different options, and multiple cut angle direction methods are available. Open the Create Operation dialog from the Home ribbon, and with type set to Mill Planar, select the Face Mill Zigzag subtype. For this example, tool will be set to a 15 mm mill and geometry to workpiece. A requirement for multiple face selection is that under Main, blank is set to thickness. Additionally, for demonstration purposes, we will set pattern containment to outline. Now, the faces for the cut area can be specified. After selecting multiple faces, toolpath will be generated for all of them. Here, floor blank thickness can also be adjusted. If the value is large enough, a new cut level is created. The across void options can easily be visualized by clicking on Options, Edit Display, Path Display Colors, and setting the step-over color to a high contrast color like magenta. Under Strategy, Across Voids, the motion type can be changed. With Off selected, the toolpath follows the outline of the cut area. Changing the motion type to Lift will result in a toolpath that follows the cut direction but lifts the tool up over gaps. As lifting the tool is not always desirable, there are further options. Cut will maintain the cutting motion for all distances over gaps. The path in the Traverse option will be identical. However, once the tool reaches a certain clearance from the cut area, it will switch to a traverse motion. This clearance can be configured under Non-Cutting Moves, Traverse. Changing the part's safe clearance and regenerating affects how much distance will be a traverse motion instead of a cutting motion. Back in the Strategy tab, for the Traverse Motion option, users can input a minimum traverse length. For very small distances, it might not be worth switching to the faster traverse motion. It can be very useful to avoid such short traverse motions by utilizing this feature. Finally, under Main, users have the option to change the cut direction. As the name implies, the longest edge option will result in a path that follows the direction of the longest edge for each face. Alternatively, along XM will alight the motion for all faces along the x-axis. Lastly, the third option will allow users to specify a vector for the cut direction. Overall, these functionalities greatly enhance the cutting process for face mill zigzag operations.